In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Steam desktop games. If you already own a game on Steam and want to start playing it from your desktop, the process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. Start by opening the Steam app on your desktop. This is where your purchased and installed games are managed, so make sure the application is fully launched before moving on. If Steam takes a few moments to load, that's normal, especially if it's checking for updates in the background. Once Steam is open, log into your account if you haven't already. You'll need to be signed in to access your game library and confirm ownership of your games. After you're logged in, look toward the top area of the Steam window and click the Library tab. This section contains all of the games connected to your account, making it the main place you'll go whenever you want to launch something you own. In the library, look to the left side of the screen where you'll see a list of your games. Find the game you want to play, then click the game name. This opens that game's main page inside Steam, where you can view details like updates, recent activity, and launch options. From there, look for the green play button and click it. That button launches the game and unlocks access so you can begin playing on your desktop. If it's your first time opening the game, Steam may take a little extra time to prepare files or complete a quick setup, so just give it a moment. And that's it. Open Steam, go to your library, select your game, and click play to start enjoying your Steam desktop game.